Hi guys, so trade recap of the day. So coming into the morning, I actually had a bearish bias, and the reason why was because we swept out, we retraced into the new week opening gap. We got a huge move lower. We then opened up these hourly gaps. We got a retrace into them into the equilibrium of the range. We then took out our intermediate term high, and right here I just wanted to retrace into a 5 or 15 minute gap to continue to target lower down to these relative equal lows down here. So yeah, we do you think we I saw later when we started pumping at open? I saw that we had this SMC here with DS, and I also saw that we were still holding this hourly gap, which is still a condition. So pretty much after that, all I wanted was a retrace into this 5 minute gap here and discount to be able to take a long up these relative equal highs up here, which was the new week opening gap, intermediate term high, um, with this high. So we didn't get that. What we got was a retrace into 50 minute gap, and then we got a 15-second inversion to the upside, which was played out for about a 1.24 RR. Um, and yeah, the trade. Yeah, so I mean, it was a very good trade. I gotta be honest, but I didn't take it. So yeah, then what I took was we got a retrace into this 5 minute gap. We made an SMT with these low on ES, as you can see right here. We got a beautiful 1 minute inversion to the upside, huge displacement, and we still had the high of the new week opening gap above the end of the new week opening gap, as you guys can see. It's this new NWOC high is the closing price of is the price at which we closed on Friday. So the NWOC was not yet fully mitigated, which I thought it would be. And yeah, we had that. We had these relative equal highs appear. Then we had an SMT, but it was already completed. And we also had this 5 minute intermediate term high, and all I was going targeting was just a 1 to 1. Um, Now, I could have gone break even and the internal high, but I was confident in the trade. I was confident in my position, and I didn't go break even here just because I got filled all the way up here, which was basically the candle close. And um, what was I saying? Oh yeah, and if I went break even as soon as we got there, I would have gone. I would have been instantly stopped out. So at break even, and I didn't want to get stopped out at break even and then price to rip in my direction and hit my take profit. So what I did was I was planning to go break even like at this size and just hold for a 1 to 1, which ended up not playing out, and so I got absolutely smoked on this. And yeah, I'm gonna show my executions to you guys. I can't. I'm logged into TradeVint on another chart, so just give me 1 second. Okay, so here it is. Executions. I bought 5 macros there, up there. Sold 5 at the low. So yeah, that was a trade from today. Um, I ended up getting stop rated. We then there was no re-entry here, and the reason why was because we inversed the 5 minute gap here that was sponsoring this move higher. This 5 minute gap, we inversed this on this candle. So what I was looking for at that point in time was a retrace into this 30 minute gap to then take a long, but we just didn't get it, and we just ended up going higher. And then we delivered to my drawn liquidity. So the only other trade that I liked was this 15-second inversion right here, which was from the 50 minute gap. And the only reason why I didn't take it um, was because I wanted to see this 5 minute gap here get traded into, which didn't happen. So yeah, that was the only trade of the day. I lost $577. The only trade I ended up taking today, I lost, and yeah, it is what it is. I followed my rules. I stuck to my plan, to my psychology, and everything else. So yeah, I'm just gonna log off here and go on with my day because I have a lot of stuff to do. So yeah, with that being said, I appreciate you boys, and I'll see you tomorrow.